In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upgrade PowerPoint in just about 5 minutes. Whether you're preparing for a big presentation at work or school, having the latest version of PowerPoint can make a significant difference. An updated version can provide you with new features, improved security, and overall better performance. So let's dive right in and walk through the steps together to ensure your PowerPoint is up to date. First things first, let's start by opening your Microsoft PowerPoint application. You might have it pinned to your taskbar, located on your desktop, or you can simply search for it in your computer's search bar. Once you've found it, click to open the application. This step is pretty straightforward, but it's crucial as it's the gateway to all the other steps we're going to talk through. Upon opening PowerPoint, you'll be greeted with the opening screen. This is where you can choose to either start a new presentation or open an existing one. As we're focusing on upgrading the software itself, it doesn't matter which option you choose. If you prefer to have a file open while you navigate through these steps, feel free to do so by selecting Open Your File from the opening screen. This can make the process feel a bit more familiar, especially if you're used to working within a specific presentation. Next, let's move to the File menu. You'll find this option at the top left corner of the screen. Clicking on it will reveal a drop-down menu with a variety of options. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with these options if you haven't already, as they provide access to some of the core functionalities of PowerPoint. Once you've clicked on File, your next step is to find and select the Account option. This might seem a bit counterintuitive, as we're not directly dealing with your personal account details, but rather looking to update the software. However, the Account section houses important information about your software, including product information and update settings. In the Account section, look out for Update options. This button is your key to accessing the update functionalities of PowerPoint. Clicking on Update options will reveal a small menu, and one of the options you'll see is Update Now. Choose this option to instruct PowerPoint to check for and install any available updates. Clicking Update Now initiates a process where PowerPoint communicates with Microsoft servers to see if there are any updates available for your version of the software. If there is an update, it will automatically start downloading and installing it. This might take a few moments depending on your internet connection and the size of the update, so this is a good time to grab a cup of coffee or stretch your legs. While we wait, let's talk about a few additional tips. Keeping your software up to date is crucial for security purposes and to ensure you have access to the latest features and improvements. However, if you're in the middle of preparing for an important presentation, you might want to schedule this update for later to avoid any disruption in your work. Always ensure that your work is saved before starting the update process, just to be on the safe side. Once the update is complete, PowerPoint will typically require a restart. Go ahead and close the application, then open it again to finalize the installation of the update. When PowerPoint restarts, you might notice some new features or changes in the interface, depending on the extent of the update. Congratulations! You've successfully updated your PowerPoint to the latest version. This might seem like a small task, but staying on top of software updates is a key part of maintaining the security and functionality of your applications. Not to mention, you'll now have access to the latest features and improvements that can enhance your presentations and improve your workflow. To wrap up, let's recap the steps we've gone through today. We started by opening PowerPoint, choosing to open an existing file or starting fresh, navigating to the File menu, selecting Account, clicking on Update options, and finally initiating the update by choosing Update Now. It's a simple process that can make a big difference in your presentation experience. Thank you for joining me in today's tutorial on how to upgrade PowerPoint. Remember, keeping your software up to date is not just about getting the newest features, it's also about ensuring you have a secure and efficiently working application. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials like this. See you in the next video.